Hi everyone, so in this video we're going to be talking about the Dr.Schutz floor care kit. Now this floor care kit is to clean LVTs and all types of vinyl flooring. So have you ever struggled cleaning your LVT or wondered what's the right products to use for your LVT? Well, with this product you cannot go wrong. Whilst the floor care kit keeps your floor looking nice, sparkling and clean, it also protects it with a natural matte finish. And what's great is that it will prevent your LVT or vinyls from getting dirtier quicker. So it's long lasting once you use the floor care kit. This floor care kit is now available to buy on dctuk.com, so why not prevent your floor from getting dirtier quicker and get one of these. And if you're not sure how to use it or what it's about, then just watch this video.
The most frequent cause of damage to LVT floors are scratches which result from furniture and daily use. These scratches can become an ongoing problem and lead to the floor having to be replaced. In order to avoid this, Dr. Schutz has developed its floor care kit. At first, the floor is vacuum cleaned to remove any loose dirt and dust. After that, stubborn residues and stains should be treated using Dr. Schutz Clean and Strip Undiluted. Then the entire surface is cleaned using Clean and Strip diluted with water and applied with a mop. Thereafter, the floor should be rinsed with water to neutralize the surface prior to protecting it. After stripping and rinsing, the floor is left to dry. It is now fully clean, however, scratches and wear marks are still visible. Now it's time to bring in the second part of the floor care kit, the Dr. Schutz Floor Mat. Floor mat is applied undiluted onto the floor and then evenly spread over it. It forms a natural matte care film which brings out the warmth of the floor and its natural appearance. What is more, it protects the floor from new scratches and makes even worn floors look like new again.
So if you would like to keep your LVT or vinyl flooring looking like you have just got it done, that fresh new feel, then you need this floor care kit in your home. As I said, it is available to buy on our website, so just head to dctuk.com to purchase your very own Dr. Schutz floor care kit.